ask him.
Don't ask Scotty. Scotty doesn't know.
Concrete at noon. Kind of looks like it's gonna rain. Oh, hi buddy. Which one we starting at, Poopy? Where are we starting? Here? Right here, sir.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one. rain is coming. Oh, look at that. Hell yeah. I'm about to right now. I'm gonna go out front and see what's up. Yo.
Hey. Got the lights all on for you guys. They wanted to run this all day. Yeah. Diesel fuel going into the building all day. It's real good for you.
Dude, it's already gonna suck running riders in here. Yo, we need fans. Cause that, no, I'm not dealing with that all day. Yo. Oh, happy birthday, man.
Goddamn right, what's been old?
Weston's birthday today. How old you turning, Weston? Too old. 18. That's what 1 year of concrete work does to you, fresh out of high school. Hurry up, stupid. Hurry up, my man. Dump that shit. Hurry up. Get another one. Small Mark. Good job, Brandon.
Don't ask him. He doesn't know. Come on, man. Come on, Juicy. You gotta get behind that. Hey, thanks. Waiting on concrete, waiting on concrete.
You can train a cat to He's mooning us.
Dude, come on. You mean, what an asshole.
That one looks malnourished.
Man, so we waited a little too late on this. Usually it's a lot easier to get when it's wetter, generally, you know? Yeah. God dang. Oh. Way better than hitting it like an hour ago would have been.
Sure.
Oh. Feeling some raindrops. That big old son of a gun. That big old son of a gun. That big old son of a gun. Good thing we're in a building. Do not need to get rained on again. You got rained on yesterday. Hi, bud. What you got there for me, huh? You got a rock? Nice. I don't know you, man. I was told not to pick up your rocks. Oh, that red sauce is so good. All right, boys, we're gonna hit all the edges. Yeah, we're gonna hit all of them. All of them. Buddy.
One left the cake out in the rain.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah. You ever heard that song?
No.
It's an old song.
Got some more sidewalk today. Up here. And then over at the building. Over yonder. Today is also my little brother's first day working here. Holy shit, this is what they got for kickers, dude? You can make like 6 kickers out of this. Holy shit. Kickers with nails in it. Word. Hell yeah.
What? Pull it back.
Pull it back, push it up. All right, Gavin, hop right in. Spin around and then push up. Just get it close enough and then I can get the rest. Take your end and go that way with it. You're gonna wanna keep your joiner to the side of it and then just go back and then forward, nice and slow. You don't gotta put a lot of pressure on it. Go up a little bit more when you're going out. Yep. Keep going, keep going. You're digging a little too much. Just be a little lighter with it. Here, I'll give you something to watch. You're doing good though. As long as you hear it grinding on that metal, you'll know it's straight. And it doesn't have to be perfect this time because we'll come back and reopen it. We're just making sure there's a line in the concrete somewhere. Kind of hover a little bit when you're doing it. You don't got to be all the way on the concrete. All right, you're kind of digging a lot in there. Take it, turn it sideways, and kind of just pat the concrete so it gets a little flatter. The whole float. Go ahead, just throw it up here to the next line. Next up, we gotta hit these out. It's fine if you close it. I like to just go away from it real quick. And then you're gonna have to do like a circular motion to get the lines out. And once you get it relatively flat, you can turn it sideways and run up the joint with light pressure. Center your hand a little bit more, because you're getting this side and you're not getting this side, you know what I mean? Yeah, just do that a couple times to even it out. Did you just kneel on a steak?
Huh?
Did you just kneel on a steak?
Yes, I did.
Oh my god. Just do like one or two, you know? Boop, boop. And go up and then come out.